Wonder why we cannot make any samurai videos. This is what's left of the brake pad. The other piece is here. And do you know how I diagnosed it?
How?
This is the ABS sensor. It has a magnet.
Oh.
These are metal shavings from the brake caliper scraping against the rotor. You're always fixing other people's shit. Yeah.
So right.
Now I just need to get this out.
Oh.
2 weeks ago he told me there's something scraping, and I was like, you need to change your brake pads. Yeah, I think he needed to change his brake pads. See you in another samurai video.